This is the homepage for LandFutures. It describes several of our purpose of this application, the highlight technologies as well as the members. Under the Land Development tab, the user can create a new project by clicking on this button. Over here, the user can navigate around the map. They can click on this little question mark icon. It will show certain instructions on what to do. So the user can search on different locations using this search feature. The user will be directed to the place that they search. Here, the user can draw the boundary along the land. So for example, in this case, let's say we draw a polygon around this area. So this is the area that we intend to develop. Once the land is created, the user can click on next. And over here, the user can plant the trees. In this setting, the user can, so for example, if we want to plant some yellow poplar trees, over here we can draw a polygon around this area and then select the appropriate number of trees, and the trees will be planted. And from here, the user can click next. And over here, the user can view the summary of the project. And over here, it shows the estimated total cost as well as the estimated carbon offsets. So there are certain default values, and these default values can be altered. So for example, in this case, if we were to change like the price per tree, for example, if one of the trees is $40 each, it would update accordingly, as well as the estimated carbon offset of 22 kg per tree. So all these default value can be changed, and it would update accordingly. And then the user could click next. And for example, if the user were to type project tree, and once the user clicks submit, the user will see the project under the project table. And from here, the user are able to edit, view the summary report, as well as compare with other projects. The user is also able to export the summary report, and over here, the user will be able to view in an Excel format. Next, we have the Insight map. Over here, the users are able to navigate the map, and as you move along, the carbon stock on the bottom right will change accordingly, and if you zoom into a certain area, it would update accordingly as well. And for example, if the user want to find out how much carbon stock is in a certain area, they can use the tools on the top right hand corner. So for example, we can draw a mask around the area of interest. Hovering, the user would be able to see the carbon stock that is estimated for that particular area. So let's try another example. Right.